You can generate a detailed analysis for consolidation jobs using a consolidation setting called Consolidation Job Analytics. The first step is to enable the GenAI option application setting. From the home page, select Settings in the application card. In the Enable AI section, select Generative AI. Save the setting. Return to the home page and select Consolidation Settings in the application card. From the Setting Type drop-down, select Consolidation Translation. Click Details for the Consolidation Job Analytics setting. There are scenarios in which the consolidation process takes longer than expected. You enable Consolidation Job Analytics to determine the root cause of the slowness in the Job Details section. Use the slider icon to enable the Consolidation Job Analytics setting. Save the setting. Run a consolidation. Navigate to the Jobs console to monitor the job. Click the name of the job to open the Job Details page. Click the Job Status link to view the job details. A GenAI-based job summary is generated for the consolidation job. To view recommendations on how to optimize your application, navigate to Recommendations on the home page. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.